Okay, today I will be showing you a secret trick. Now, it's not illegal, it's a legal process. A secret trick you can use to get your Kartra trial to be a 30-day trial instead of the usual 14-day trial, so that you have a longer period of time to implement some of the things I will be teaching you, so that your business will pay for even your Kartra subscription eventually when you get to subscribe to using Kartra, right? So today I will be giving you the secret tip, the trick, so that you get a 30-day trial instead of the 14-day trial. We're kind of doubling your trial period, right? So the first thing to do is make sure you get to this particular page. Make sure you get to this bonus page, to my bonus page, right? And you can get here by going to vidpride.com/Kartra. And when you come here, you have the opportunity to sign up here. So when you sign up to have access to this page by going to vidpride.com/Kartra, you fill in your details and click show me bonuses. It will redirect you to this page. So the first tip is to get to this page by signing up at vidpride.com/Kartra. So when you get to this page, this bonus page, you see this button here and you see this other button here. These are the buttons that will take you to the place where you will be able to turn the 14-day trial into a 30-day trial, right? So you click on this button. You click on this button or the lower button, but make sure you click on the button on that page and wait for the page to load completely. Now, after it has finished loading completely, simply come to this button here and click on Start Your Trial. Also, wait for this page to load completely. After it has finished loading completely, scroll down a little and then make an attempt to close this page, but don't. Just move your cursor upwards in an attempt to close this page. You see, this alert comes in. For a very limited time, double your trial. You just click yes, double your trial, and then move on to sign up for your trial. So now you are getting a 30-day trial instead of the 14-day trial. So again, first go to vidpride.com/Kartra. You have the opportunity to sign up to see the bonus page. After signing up, it will take you to this particular bonus page. When it comes to this bonus page, you click on either this button here or the button below to take you to where you can sign up. Then you allow the page to load completely. After the page loads completely, click on Start Your Trial. It will open this page showing you the different Kartra plan. Also allow this page to load completely. Then you scroll down a little to this point, then make an attempt, make a move as if you want to close this page, as if you're going up, right? You see that movement upwards, the movement upwards, as if you're going to hit this close button here, and then you have the opportunity to have a 30-day trial instead of 14-day trial. If you try it any other way, you will only get a 14-day trial. But this 30-day trial gives you ample time to test out Kartra and even to start running campaigns so that you make money to even pay for your full subscription. I hope this is helpful. So go ahead and sign up with my affiliate link so that you enjoy all the amazing bonuses that are in this place. You have video tutorials I'll send to you, high converting emails I'll send to you. You have high ticket affiliate funnel, the $1 cash machine funnel, drop servicing agency funnel, affiliate advertorial funnel, high ticket product funnel, and even this same Kartra affiliate funnel that I'm using here, and then the affiliate bridge funnel, and everything will be given to you. Well over $3,000 worth of high quality bonuses free if you sign up with my link today. And I hope this has been helpful. I will see you in the next one.